Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Tuesday, December 17th, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to hop on here. I'm out running some errands and I thought I'd do a quick video. If you're looking for a way to supplement or replace your income going into 2025, then I just suggest you go to joinruss.com, and check out these 3 amazing opportunities that I'm involved with. 2 of them are direct mail opportunities. So you have to live in the United States, Puerto Rico, or the Virgin Islands to partake in them. And the other is a global opportunity. We're in over 150 different countries. And that program helps you save money on things you're already purchasing. And you can earn money by sharing the opportunity with other people. So I've been doing this for 18 plus years, dabbling in the work from home space. And I've been working for myself full time since 2018. I can tell you, in my opinion, or based on what I've seen over the years and the different opportunities I've been involved with, that direct mail marketing is the best and easiest way to make money online. Okay? Now, I have 2 direct mail companies that I'm working with, as I mentioned. One of them has been in the industry since 2003. The other one's been around for a handful of years. They both have very transparent owners. You can call them on the phone and talk to them directly. They're just great opportunities. And what you're doing is you're providing leads for people who are in the network marketing space. It doesn't matter if they're in multi-level marketing, if they're in affiliate marketing, it covers the whole spectrum of network marketing. If someone has a business or a service in this industry, they need leads, okay? And that's what these opportunities provide people who get involved with this. They provide you with leads, okay? And these are opportunity-seeking leads, people who have requested more information and want information on work-from-home opportunities, okay? So what I do, I have 2 postcards here, okay? 2 postcards, one for each opportunity, and I put these in a letter with my business card, and I have a drop card for my global program, and I send out letters each and every week, okay? And so I use one stamp to send out 3 different opportunities. Because, not every opportunity resonates with everybody. So I'm giving the people who receive my letters the option of 3 different programs that they can join. And some come in and join all 3 programs under me, and some come in and join 1 program. Okay, so you got to just pick out which program resonates best with you. But if you go to joinruss.com, okay, this is my business card here, joinruss.com. This goes over to my Linktree page. You can check out all 3 opportunities I'm involved with and pick out one that resonates with you. Now, if you're brand new to this industry or working from home, I suggest just picking out one to start with. All right, and when you join me, you're going to get my contact information. You're going to get, my email, my phone number. You'll have my social media platforms. You can reach out to me anytime you have a question or need any help. And I will show you exactly what I do in order to bring in money. All right? Build a residual income, passive income. All right? Because it doesn't take any time to send out postcards in the mail. This literally, you can spend less than an hour a day building your business. Okay. Now I do both online and offline marketing with my opportunities. All right. I make YouTube and Facebook videos. Those are my 2 primary social media platforms that I use online. And then I mail out the letters. All right. And I don't even spend an hour a day doing this stuff. And it works. I get great conversions with what I do. All right, I do proof payment videos. I just did one last night. Now I'm constantly getting signups into my opportunities, and I'm getting paychecks, and I'm earning commissions regularly. So if you're looking for a way to supplement or replace your income in 2025, go to joinruss.com, check out these opportunities, reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out, and get started. All right, there's no excuse not to get started. I mean, there's nothing wrong with jobs, okay? But that's an acronym for just over broke. And I've had many jobs. I've worked longer for other people than I have for myself. But I can tell you that working for yourself, there's no greater joy than working for yourself. All right? I mean, especially when you're able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow. And that's what these opportunities do. Over time, they will provide you with residual income. They will provide you with, and I'm talking to people who are action takers, not people that join these opportunities and the next week they're on to the next shiny object. I'm talking to people who join an opportunity, stick with it, and take action, okay? I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with these opportunities. All right, it's all dependent on your work ethic. But if you take action and stay consistent with your marketing methods, you can be successful with these opportunities. It's almost fail-proof if you do that, if you take action and stay consistent and commit to what it is that you're doing. You're going to see me this year going into 2025. I'm sticking with these 3 opportunities because they just flat out work, and it's the easiest money that I've ever made, mailing out postcards. I mean, you can train anybody. I mean, you don't even need training to mail out a postcard. Anybody can do this. You just have to stay consistent, and that's what it's all about. So, again, if you have any questions, reach out. I'm here to help you out. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. And that's it. It's 55 degrees here in Maine today. I can't believe it. It's like springtime. It's beautiful outside. I don't even know why I have this winter coat on. But I hope it's a nice day where you are. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.